Let me show you some of the traction I've been gotten through Wise. So as you can see, this one is Conscious Life. This one is actually Viral Income Ads. This one is actually from BBC, which is around $149. This one is from Amazon.com. This one is Dr. Summit. A lot of them, like uncountable payment that I'll be getting through my Wise account. So I'm going to be showing you 5 affiliate network you can actually join right now and start making money. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end without wasting your time. The number one affiliate network I actually recommend for everybody that is starting out, so it's actually ShareASale.com. So this particular platform is one of the best affiliate network. So because they actually accept anybody, if you are from Nigeria, Ghana, anywhere throughout the whole world, they can accept you and you'll be able to get your money directly to your country. So, and at the time I recorded this video, they have over 1 million publishers. So you can join now and be the part of ShareASale. So, and they have generated like a 200 million sales in just 2023. So, and they have a lot of popular brands that you can actually promote to make sales. So for you to join ShareASale, all you have to do is to click on this sign up button and you are going to sign up as an affiliate. So you are going to fill in your information, your date of birth, your email. So one important thing you have to notice, if you want to sign up for ShareASale, you have to make sure that you have media property, like probably you have YouTube channels, you have social media profile that have like maybe 1,000 followers and above, so that it will ensure that your account is fully verified on time, because they're actually looking for someone that have a media property like a publisher or a YouTuber. They actually want to approve. So as you can see, I have an account with them already, and I actually make a video about how you can use ShareASale. I'm going to drop it inside this video description. So this is the number one list of my affiliate network I do use to promote all of my affiliate products. So the second affiliate network that we actually do recommend is you joining Impact Radio. So this particular platform is one of the best in the market. So they're actually competing with ShareASale. So if you actually in the space of affiliate marketing and digital marketing, you should have known about ShareASale and Impact Traders, because Impact Traders is one of the best. They actually promote a lot of brands. Like if you actually use Canva very well, you can join the affiliate platform and start promoting. So whenever someone actually sign up for Canva and are using Canva every single month, you are going to make a commission for using Canva. And also, if you want to join Impact Traders, all you have to do is to find the particular platform you actually want to join. So they have affiliate, they have influencer and creator, they have for mobile app. If you actually know how to develop mobile app, you can join Impact Traders and monetize your app. So, but we're actually concerned about affiliates because we want to promote someone's product to make a commission. So you can join this particular platform. All you have to do once again is to make sure you have media property. Probably you have a blog post that actually write content about. So, and mind you, one of the important reasons why you should join Impact Traders is the fact that there are a lot of CPA offer. So like what we mean by CPA is cost per lead. Like probably if someone actually entered their email, you are going to make sales without even them buying the product. So there are a lot of CPA offer on Impact Traders. So that reason why you have to join this platform as beginner and start promoting their product. So all you have to do is to actually like get started today, and you'll be able to fill in your information, your email, your username, and be able to get account with Impact Traders. So I'm not going to be showing you how to get an account with them because I already have a video for it. I'm going to drop it also in the video description. So the third website, which is affiliate website, I will actually do recommend for a beginner, someone that is just starting out affiliate marketing, is actually called JVZoo. So JVZoo is my favorite platform for anyone that is just starting, that doesn't know about affiliate marketing, that is just starting out. So the reason being that you can actually promote this product on this platform and make sales as a complete beginner. And the good thing about this platform is the fact that they have a lot of payment methods. You can actually receive your money through Pioneer, you can receive your money through Stripe, through PayPal, and through Wise. So that is the reason why I've seen a lot of payments coming through Wise. So because most of my payment is being received by Wise. So as you can see, they have over 800,000 active affiliates. So you can actually join today by just clicking on start for free. So all you have to do is just to enter your email. This one doesn't require you to have media property. All you have to do is to just enter your email and you are going to get accepted instantly. So one of the important reasons why you should join JVZoo is the fact that, like as a complete beginner, you don't have media property, you don't have blog post. You can actually start promoting products on this platform without you needing any blog post or without needing any media property. So I actually have a video about launch jacking that I made in the past. I'm going to drop the video inside the description for you to actually learn about JVZoo and start promoting product on JVZoo. So this is the third website I'll be actually recommending. So let me show you another website that I think is going to be best fit for a complete beginner. So it is actually called WarriorPlus.com. So WarriorPlus is actually similar to JVZoo because it's a software-based platform. So if you're actually looking for any software that you want to promote, like all this advent of AI, like maybe AI products, so you have to come to WarriorPlus. So WarriorPlus has been existing for a very longer period of time. So a lot of people actually promote product on WarriorPlus. So, and one of the advantages is the fact that there is very cheap products, like maybe a product of $20 or $15. You can start with as an affiliate. So after you have mastered the art of affiliate marketing, you can actually decide to go to ShareASale or Impact Traders. So all you have to do to sign up for WarriorPlus is the fact that you have to click on sign up over here, and you should be able to sign up for WarriorPlus. You actually want to fill in your username, your password, your email, and you are going to be approved instantly. This one doesn't require you to have email address or email list or anything. You just have to just register and you join this platform and start promoting. And one thing I actually want to request from you guys is the fact that if you are liking this video so far, I will actually ask you that you give it a thumbs up, and if you want anywhere I can actually improve on, let me know in the comment section below so that I will work on improving in all those aspects. So, and the last affiliate network I'll actually recommend for a complete beginner is actually called CPA Grip. So this one is quite different from the one that I've been recommending in the past. Is the fact that CPA marketing is different from affiliate marketing. Like, by CPA we mean cost per lead, but cost per lead we mean actually maybe the person will just enter their email, they can enter their PIN, they can enter their credit card to get paid. So it doesn't really require you to actually get sales before you can be paid. So you can actually join this platform and start promoting a CPA offer on this particular platform. So for example, if you actually copy your link from CPA Grip and you send to someone and that person actually enter their email, you are going to be paid a certain percentage of commission. So it doesn't matter maybe they buy the product or the long run or they don't buy. So all you have to do is just to promote this link and get their email, and you are going to be paid instantly. So all you have to do to join this platform, it doesn't require you to have any media property, is to click on sign up or register over here, and it's going to give you form to fill. So you have to fill in your first name, your email, your last name, anything about you. So make sure that any information you are putting here is actually correct, because this platform CPA Grip accept anybody throughout the world. If you are from anywhere throughout the world, they are going to accept you and you are going to be paid directly to your bank account. So it does not, like, there's no need for you to be entering any information that is not correct. So I hope this video actually help you out one way or the other to make sure you start your affiliate marketing journey. So if you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up once again and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because next video that I'll be making is to show you some of the traffic network that I do use to promote most of my products to make sales. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.